You want to determine if your product will cause skin reactions, but you don't know if you need to perform a basic skin compatibility test or a sensitization study. Do you know the difference between the two? Both are in the category of safety assessment, but they do not answer to the same questions. In this video, we will compare the two based on the purpose, what is measured, the timeline, that is different, very different, and especially when these tests are required. So first, the purpose. Regarding the basic skin compatibility, the different tests that are performed are following the single patch test protocol, and they are performed for immediate or short-term skin reactions. Indeed, we want to look for direct irritant effects, and that's what we'll be evaluating are different types of skin irritations. Regarding the sensitization study, the tests are mainly performed using human repeat insult patch tests. They are commonly performed for allergic reactions that developed over time when the product is in contact with the skin over a long period of time. Then let's move on what is measured in these different tests. Regarding the single patch tests, as I mentioned, we want to test immediate or short-term reaction. So the product will be applied on the skin between 30 minutes to 24 until 48 hours. What will be measured is skin irritations, for example, skin redness or erythema, skin swelling if there is papules or vesicles forming, skin dryness, if there is any discomfort, and so on. Since the product is applied really shortly on the skin, we will only evaluate surface level reactions. Now, for the sensitization study, what will be measured is delayed response, right? Because we use this technique where we repeat the application of the product on the skin, and thus we will be able to measure the reaction of the immune systems with different type of readouts. This way, you will be able to identify specific allergens within your project. We will be able also to evaluate the cumulative effects, because when we apply your product on the skin several times over a long period of time, maybe for the very first applications, your skin will not react, but maybe after the 4th, the 10th application, your skin may start to react. And this will give information if your product potentially can lead to developing any kind of allergies, skin allergies. Now, regarding the timeline, I think you have understood that for the single patch test, we are looking at skin reaction for short-term applications. There is only one application of the product on the skin, 30 minutes, 24 hours until 48 hours. And we perform immediate evaluation upon patch removal. For the sensitization study, the period where you apply your product on the skin is around 4 to 6 weeks. And finally, when these different tests are required. Regarding the single patch test, this test is required for any kind of cosmetic product that you want to develop. Whatever is the formulation, whatever is the list of ingredients that you are using. Even if the list of ingredients is 99% identical to a product that you have already launched, the 1% may cause your failure. It is a standard requirement. Regarding the sensitization study, it is usually required when you use an ingredient that is quite rare, not commonly used in the cosmetic industry. And also, if your product contains known sensitizing ingredients. If you develop a product with a claim hypoallergenic, you will need to perform this sensitization study. No question asked. So as we have seen, both of these tests are really important, but they serve different purposes, with the sensitization study being more comprehensive and specific to allergic reactions. If you want more information about the single patch test, you may watch this video.